How to fix mobile data is slow in Realme 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see the airplane mode. Now here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times, then go back to your home screen and check your network connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your network connection. And after update our network connection, then reinsert your SIM card. Reinsert your SIM card, it will fix minor glitches. After that, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.